Breaded meats, especially breaded chicken products, are very popular in our school meal programs. Now they're bakeable, so we want them to be crispy on the outside, yet moist and tender on the inside. So the way we do this is we cook them using a perforated sheet pan. Just like we did vegetables with the perforated pan so that the heat can come from this direction and this direction, it's the same principle with the perforated sheet pan. We want the heat to come from here and through the bottom so that we get a real crispy product all the way around. Now, you may be tempted to think about cleanup, and you may be tempted to want to take a piece of parchment paper and put it over the perforated holes. That is something you do not want to do. Okay, because what's going to happen is those holes are now blocked. You might as well be using a solid sheet pan. So we want to be sure that we do not use the parchment paper. Instead, we are going to take our food release and we are going to spray our pan really well, because we do want to make sure we're not spending a lot of time on cleanup, and that will help us do a better job. Next, we're going to use both hands, and we're going to reach in and we're going to grab our bakeable breaded chicken products, and we're putting our tenders on the pan in one layer. Now you may be wondering, why is she not taking the entire bag and pouring it on the sheet pan? The reason I'm not doing that is because all of these tiny little crumbs are going to get onto the sheet pan, and that's going to bake into your product, and you will not get a quality product. So we reach in and we remove our chicken tenders and we put them on the sheet pan. So now we have filled our perforated sheet pan with our bakeable tenders, and notice that they're not piled on top of one another. Again, that's making sure that they're all going to be crispy on the outside and nice, moist, and tender on the inside. So now they're ready to go into the combi. For more information on using perforated sheet pans, please see Cooking Potato Products.